Hey y'all, hey, it's me, Kwanda, the face behind Crafts by Q LLC. I help beginner crafters and creative women learn practical crafting and design skills so they can confidently turn their ideas into products they can create, share, and sell. Through my YouTube channel, I share step-by-step tutorials, digital resources, and custom creations. I make creativity feel possible even when you're starting at your kitchen table with limited time, money, and experiences. Around here, we believe you do not have to know it all to start, okay? You just need the faith, the right guidance, and the courage to use what you already have at your hands. People remember me and my brand because I keep it real. I teach without judgment, and I remind every person that their gifts have value, right? And I want to say welcome on back because earlier I told you about us making a branded scratch off card to go as an insert within your packages, and now we are going to execute on those things. So remember I told you all you needed was physical items were double-sided photo paper, a printer, a pair of scissors, and then we're going to be working in, technically, we're going to be working in Canva, but we might go over to ChatGPT and then print it out, cut it up, and then it'll be ready for your packaging, right? And it just says give it 10% off your next order, 15% off your next order. Or you can break it up. You can get 15% off your next order and 5% off your next order if you leave me a review, and then tell them where to leave the review. So let me go ahead and share my screen, because hopefully it shouldn't take long. And I'm going to share my entire screen, this screen, turn on the volume and share. I'm going to go ahead and get some elevator music in the background. Let's see what we can find. Hey, y'all, hey. Do this one, turn it. All right, so let's get started, y'all. Y'all know me. How we do it. I'm gonna start off in Canva because I've already done it, and I'm gonna see what it look like. I may or may not keep it. And so I say thank you for shopping with you, LLC. Your support truly means so much to me. And then I got my slogan, crafted with faith, fueled by purpose. Except for it's supposed to be fueled by passion. Let me change it. Okay, and then here is where you will have your QR code. Your scratch off element. And underneath is where you will have enjoy 50% off your next order as my way of saying thank you. So when you print, if you're physically printing this, do not print it with the scratch off on. You delete this. If you are printing, you delete this. If you are sending it digitally, then leave it on. All right. So if you are printing digitally, leave it on. If you are printing physically, take it off. All right. So I'm going to print it. So I am going to delete this part. As a matter of fact, let me just put it somewhere else. I might want it later. And you can say whatever you want to right here. All right, so this is the back of the card. The front of the card is just this, something simple, right? That's me, my logo, my name, what I do, my email address, phone number, link tree, connect with me, and then crafted with faith, fueled by, supposed to be passion. So let's take this, make passion. Oh, I got it on caps. All right. And so that's what I think I'm gonna print. However, when I come over to ChatGPT, he has been mad at me today, y'all. So I'm gonna go up to new chat. A business scratch off card 5.5 by E4 for me to thank my customers for shopping with me. Okay, I want the scratch off part to be 2 by 2, and on it should say 10% off as a thank you for shopping with me. At the bottom, I would like to have a thank you message along with my slogan. On the right hand side, I would like to have me standing up in a purple business suit and pink shirt, and I would like my real logo to be at the top and centered. And now let me go ahead and give it. Did I say something about my QR code? And QR code. Let's see what it's saying. It may or may not get it right. And I'm gonna come over here to file. Use my computer. Use my printer. waiting. Come on, come on. So it said, if it does not start here, click here. So let me go ahead and click. And I got my right printer. I'm gonna do custom, and it's page 11. And I'm gonna go to more settings. That's it. Okay. I'm gonna hit print. All right, so I'm just going ahead and getting ready for the second page or the back page, because now I have to turn that piece of paper over. And now that I turned it over, I'm going to hit print. And now that it is printing, I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to go ahead and turn this background off so you can see exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just printing that one page just to show you how to do it. All right, it's coming out, y'all. And I just want to say today is day 4 of Katrina's Iconic Brand Elevation Challenge, and this is one of the projects that we had done. So this is, yeah, if you didn't get in her challenge, then you missed a great time. She taught us a lot. She gave her all. She did a fantastic job. And when she holds another challenge, y'all make sure y'all get in the room. And don't get in the room on the freebie. Y'all get in the room at the highest tier, because it came with a swag box. So my girl did it great. And this is the swag box that you get. And it came with the supplies that we need. This is the scratch off that goes on top of it. So that when you scratch it off, then this is what you get. All right. That's a little side note while I'm waiting on it to finish printing. And this is how it came out. And I'm just gonna cut it. Open up brand new doors. Join the challenge if you're curious to. ChatGPT. If I was doing a lot of these, I would use my big cutter. But being that I'm just cutting one sheet of paper, I'm just going to use my scissors.
By passion, crafts by Q. See you next video.
And then you would put your scratch off on, and that's what you get. You put it right on top of here.
Different over here, from cricket cuts to dreams in motion, simple steps and forward motion, learning while we grow together, building something.
And that's it. And then when you get a package, you just send it. When you ship out a package, you just put it in there with the insert as an insert, and that's it. So that's it. All right. So like the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I put up a new video. And make sure to follow me on my socials. And I am Crafty by Q LLC. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.